Bringing you a daily gospel message of hope and inspiration, Skyline Baptist Church of Killeen is proud to present Coffee with Pastor Kenny.
Matthew chapter 28 verse 20 says, "I am with you always, even until the end of age." You know, God does not lure us with empty promises just to abandon us later. Every promise that God makes is true. Every gift that God gives is sealed with the blood of His Son, Jesus Christ. So what does He want from us? Well, He wants all of us. He wants the ugly, broken mess so that we can be transformed into the image of Christ. All of us for all of Him. That's the promise.
Skyline Baptist Church would like to thank our sponsors. We invite you to join us for worship and celebration at one of our weekly services. God bless you.